Ever wondered what lies beneath your feet, deep inside the Earth's core? It's a question that has captivated humans for centuries, sparking countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. You see, beneath the familiar landscapes we inhabit, there's an entirely different world. A world that's intensely hot, under immense pressure, and brimming with mysteries. Imagine peeling an onion. The Earth, like that onion, is made up of several layers: the crust, the mantle, and then the core. This core, the heart of our planet, is further divided into two sections: the outer core, a sea of molten metal, and the inner core, a solid ball of iron and nickel. Today, we're embarking on a fantastic voyage, a journey to the very center of the Earth. We'll explore fascinating facts about the Earth's core, its size, its temperature, its composition, its rotation, and its magnetic field. So buckle up as we dive into the depths of our planet. Did you know that the Earth's inner core is almost the size of the moon? Yes, you heard that right. Our planet's solid inner core, sitting over 3,000 miles beneath our feet, measures about 1,516 miles across. That's roughly 80% of the moon's diameter. Picture that for a moment. This comparison gives us a glimpse of the grand scale at which our world operates. It's fascinating to think that beneath the ground we walk on, there is a sphere of such magnitude. But why is this significant? Well, the size of the Earth's inner core plays a crucial role in many of the Earth's processes, including the generation of our planet's magnetic field. So the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember that a similar-sized celestial body exists right beneath your feet. Yes, our Earth's core is a celestial body within a celestial body. How hot do you think the Earth's core is? Get ready for a surprise! Now let's dive right into the fiery furnace that is our Earth's core. It's not just hot, it's incredibly hot. We're talking temperatures that reach up to an astounding 5,000 to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Just to put that into perspective, the surface of the sun, which feels scorching even from 93 million miles away, averages around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, the Earth's core is nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. Now imagine that intense heat, concentrated deep within the Earth, right beneath our feet. It's a testament to the incredible balance of our planet, that such extreme temperatures can exist at its core, without turning the surface into a flaming inferno. It's a fascinating yet humbling reminder of the power that nature holds. That's right, our Earth's core is a fiery furnace. At the heart of our planet, there's an iron giant. Yes, you heard that right. Our Earth's core is predominantly made up of iron, a fact that scientists discovered through seismic studies. These studies, which analyze the way seismic waves travel through the Earth following earthquakes, revealed that our planet's core behaves like a metal under extreme pressure. And the most likely candidate? Iron. It not only accounts for the majority of our planet's core, but also makes up about 1/3 of the Earth's total mass. That's a lot of iron. This iron heart is not just sitting idle. It plays a crucial role in Earth's geology and climate, affecting everything from the creation of mountains and oceans to the movement of continents. It's a dynamic and vital part of our world, operating beneath our feet every second of every day. So we're living on a planet with an iron heart. Did you know that deep within, our Earth is a speed demon? Yes, it's true, the core of our planet spins faster than its surface. This phenomenon is known as superrotation. Now you might be wondering, why does this happen? Well, the answer lies in the fluid dynamics of the outer core. This region is composed of molten iron that generates electric currents as it moves. These currents, in turn, create a magnetic field that exerts a torque on the inner core. Due to the difference in density and elasticity between the inner core and the mantle, the core moves at a slightly faster rate. Even though it's just a fraction of a degree per year, it's still faster than the surface. So the Earth is not just spinning, it's spinning faster on the inside than the outside. It's like a ballerina pirouetting at breakneck speed while maintaining an elegant slow twirl to the naked eye. The Earth's core is not just hot and heavy, it's fast too. Ever wondered why compasses point north? It's all thanks to the Earth's core. This hot, iron-rich center of our planet is the Grand Maestro, conducting an invisible yet crucial symphony of magnetism. Like a giant bar magnet, the Earth's core generates a magnetic field that envelops our world. The movement of molten iron within the outer core, driven by heat escaping from the planet's interior, generates electric currents. These currents produce the magnetic field that extends far into space. This magnetic field is responsible for making our compasses point north, but it does much more than that. This magnetic field also protects us, acting as a shield against harmful solar radiation. Without it, life on Earth as we know it wouldn't exist. It even helps some animals, like birds and sea turtles, navigate during migration. So, the Earth's core is more than just a hot ball of iron. It's our planet's magnetic mastermind. We've journeyed through the scorching, iron-filled, fast-spinning magnetic powerhouse that is the Earth's core. It's a world that defies imagination, almost the size of the moon, yet hidden deep beneath our feet. This vast, fiery sphere is hotter than anything we're familiar with on the surface, and it's primarily composed of iron. But the Earth's core isn't just an immense hot ball of metal, it spins at a faster pace than our planet's surface, adding a dynamic twist to this subterranean world. What's more, it's the mastermind behind the magnetic field that shields us from solar radiation and helps compasses point north. These intriguing facts remind us of the core's significance. It's not just a distant, unreachable place. Its characteristics and behavior have profound implications for life as we know it. And that's the incredible journey to the center of our Earth, a place as fascinating as it is essential to our existence.